Hello viewer, how we made the designs like that I will show you in this tutorial. First we will take the shape here. We have to remove it first, then go to the further shapes. I will take or embed the image from there. Take it, let's apply on it. Stretched over the shape, made it fixed. And then there is a clipping mask we have generated. I will take another shape, embed that. So make it fixed here. I will take again a clipping mask